Hey guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me? Hello. Yes, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah. Thank you. So let us start session. Hello. Hello. Can you tell me? Yeah. Yes. Today topic. Yes. First one. Java installation. Java installation. Next. Next. Environment variables. Environment variables. Setup. Java installation. Environment variable setup. Next. Eclipse. Eclipse. Yes. Eclipse setup. Next, steps to install. Steps to develop Java application. These are the topics we're going to discuss. First, how to install Java. Next, environment variable setup. Next, Eclipse setup. Next, steps to develop Java application. Yeah, these topics we're going to discuss today. They are the topics. Yes, let us see one by one. Yes, first Java installation. How to install Java. Java installation. See, first let us check this existing setup. See, Java C. Yes. See, Java C. Java company. Yes, Java is there in my system. Java is there. First of all, let us clean existing setup. Let us clean all the existing setup. See, patch. See all the existing applications, all these applications here. Java. Yes. Yes, let me clean all the existing setup. Yes, we'll go freshly setup, fresh setup. We'll go. Yes, one second. Another one running. Just wait for a minute. Yes, that installation remote. Next variables also. This PC properties, variables, advanced system settings. Yes, inert variables, Java home. Yes, path from these paths, Java paths. Yes, cleaned. Nothing is there. Okay, see this Java uninstallation is done. Inert variable setup removed, so that the existing setup completely removed. Completely removed. Okay. Yes. Next, even Eclipse also. Existing Eclipse. Yes, existing Eclipse. This is delete. Yes, Eclipse also removed. Refresh. Yes, cleanup is done. Yes, no comment on. At the command on check for Java C. Yes, command not found. Right? Java C. Command not found. Command not found. Java C is not internal or yes, external command. Java C not recognized internal or external command. Means Java is not there. Java is not there. That's it. So clear is done. Okay, now how to install Java? Once again. So first of all, for Java purpose, you need JDK. Yes. So what is software here? Required softwares. The JDK software. First we'll start with JDK 1.8. Next we'll go to JDK 9. First 1.8. 1.8 and Eclipse required. 1.8 Eclipse required. These two softwares required. JDK 1.8, JDK 8, nothing but Java 8. JDK 1.8, Java 8, both are same. Java 8, both are same here. So JDK 1.8 and Eclipse, how to get this? Yes. These softwares already shared to your Gmail, shared to your Drive, Google Drive, shared to Google Drive. Yes, Google Drive. Yes, see this. Let me show that how to access and all that softwares here. How to access. See here, access given like this. See these recordings. Yes, not this one. Your batch recordings. Here, this is see Emendra Koja 5 p.m. March 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 recordings uploaded into Drive. Okay, next access given like share. Yes. Yes, like this access given. Okay, that's your Gmail ID. Your gmail.id.com. Your Gmail ID. Access given like this. Next. So this that is yes recordings. Next documents. Yeah, this is material. Share. Yes, like this access given. Yes, access given like this. Now how to yes download all this? It's a material. All this material. How to download this material here? Yes, let's see. How to access all of these things. So first log into your Gmail ID. First of all, log into your Gmail ID. Log into your Gmail. Suppose this is Gmail. Log into your Gmail. Log into your Gmail. Log into Gmail. After go to Google Drive. Here there is a drive. Google Drive. Go to Google Drive. Okay, log into Gmail, then go to Google Drive. Here there is a drive option. Go to Drive. Go to Drive. Not from Gmail. See, Gmail will be receiving alert. See, no alerts received. See this, these alerts received. It's alert. It's alert. That email alert here. See, MNRAC Purja folder shared, MNRAC Purja 5 p.m. March. So these two folders were shared. This alert got it. But don't open from this. Don't open from this. Go to Drive. Yes, go to Drive. Yes, go to Drive. Here, Drive. Drive. Open Drive. Just to open Drive. Yes, go to Google Drive. Yes, open Drive here. Drive. Right, remember here. Yes, go to Google Drive. Here, they say Drive. Drive. Here, Drive is there. Click on Drive. Yes, open your Google Drive. After opening Google Drive, here this shared with me. Here is shared with me option. Here shared with me option. Shared with me option. Shared with me option. Yes, here see MNRAC Core Java folder. Shared with me MNRAC Core Java. Yes, here you can see all that material related to your Core Java. Complete material. Complete material. Here this is Core Java 25th February. Updated. This one, this document. Yes, right click download. Download. This one download. Next JDK 8. JDK 8. Right click and download. JDK 8. Right click download. Okay, JDK 8. Right click download here. Next Eclipse. Neon Eclipse. Right click and download. The download options are there. So right click at these three things. Download these three things here. JDK8, Eclipse, and our class documents. Right click, download. Yes, Eclipse, right click, download. Next JDK, right click, download. That's it. Once downloaded, yes, getting into downloads folder. Now go to downloads folder. Here you can see this document downloaded. Like this, even downloading also JDK, Eclipse also. Downloading both JDK and Eclipse. Okay. Yes. So your documents. So apart from this, JDK and Eclipse, everything will be downloaded. Okay, all will be downloaded. After downloading here, what is next step here? After document, wherever you want to keep, you can keep. That is your wish. Document storing. Yes, anywhere. That's your requirements. Document you can save anywhere. Okay. Yes, anywhere. Yes, after that. Next, JDK and Eclipse. Place in the C drive. See JDK 1.8 and Eclipse both just copy into C drive. Copy into C drive. Copy into C drive. Yes, both copy into C drive. Just you copy into C drive. So Java 8 and Eclipse both copy into C drive. Both copy into C drive. Okay, copy into C drive. See this C drive. Yes, here JDK 8 and 9. Two things available. Yes. Next 11:30 next also. Okay. Yes, next Eclipse. JDK 8 and Eclipse. Both are available. Eclipse is available, JDK 8 is available. How to set? First of all, let us start with JDK 8 setup. How to set up JDK 8? Let us see. 1 second. Yes. Your document. Yes, your class document. This is class document. Yes, class document. Yes, this installation steps are there. Yes, after finishing all the basics, installation steps are there. Yes, installation. Yes, Java installation steps. Yes, open document. In document, you can see all the installation steps. All the installation steps. Okay, installing Java and path. Installing Java and path. Okay, place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. JDK. Yes, here in C drive, right? C drive JDK is available. So JDK. JDK. First, we double click on JDK here. Okay. C drive. C drive. JDK. This is JDK 8. C drive JDK 8. 8 and 9. These two things are first we'll start with 8. Next we'll go to 9. JDK 8. Double click on 8. Double click on it. Next, yes. Double click on it. Next, yes. Say yes. Yes, now it's reading. It's reading. See this. Yes, welcome to installation wizard for Java SC development kit. Yes, click on next. See, now it's going to install at this location. C drive program files Java JDK 1.8. C drive program files. C drive program files Java JDK 1.8. C drive program files. C drive. Yes, go to C drive. In C drive program files. Program files. See C drive program files Java. Yes, open program files Java. Here don't have Java. Here don't have Java. Here there is no Java. Yes, already removed. Java don't have. Already removed. Yes, now C drive program file Java JDK 1.8. So here is installed to this location. It's a default location. C drive program file is a default location. Suppose if you want to change location, you can change option. You can use change option, changing location. Not necessary. Okay, yes. Leave as this here. This one installed to. So click on next. 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 Yes, see this here Java, right? C drive program for Java folder created. Java folder created. You can see that folder. Java folder 11.3. Yes, 11.3. So March 11th, right? 11th March. 5:25 p.m. Just now created. Java folder just now created. Open that. Yes, JDK 1.8. So JDK extracted. JDK extracted. Next JDK extracted here. JDK extracted. So next here, yes, JRE. Okay. Yes, JRE. Click on next. Yes, JRE extracting. JDK extracted or JRE extracting. See here. Yes, we should discuss about JVM. What is JVM? Yes, what is JDK? Yes, what is JRE? The differences, the three differences we should discuss. We will discuss next. Java virtual machine, Java development kit, Java runtime environment, Java virtual machine, Java development kit, Java runtime environment. The differences we'll discuss next. This is not right time. We'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss. Wait. Okay, next close. Complete it. Complete. Very simple here. See, place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. Double click. Next, yes. Next, close. Over. Okay. So place JDK into C drive. Double click on it. Next, you can see yes option. Say yes. Next option. Next option. And finally close. Over. So Java installation over. So this topic is done here. Yes, Java installation. This is over. Okay. Yes, your Gmail ID. Gmail ID. Yes, from your Gmail ID you can download it. I have shared. I shared your Gmail ID. See here for all paid members. For all fee paid members, I have shared JDK. Frankly speaking, for all fee paid members, I have shared JDK and Eclipse both. Okay, for all, yes, shared. Yes, go to that Google Drive. From that you can download. Just now I showed, right? Go to Google Drive, your Google Drive. Yes, who paid fees? They go to your Google Drive. Yes, open like this, Google Drive. Google Drive. From the Google Drive, they shared with me option. Shared with me. Share with me. Here, MNRAP Core Java, yes, 5 p.m. March. So this is for recordings. This folder is recordings. Next, another folder, yes, MNRAP Core Java, it's a material. From this you can download. Yeah, from the Google means directly you can. Yes, for that here, yes, you need Oracle account. Oracle account. See downloads. See downloads. JDK 1.8. JDK 1. Download JDK 1.8. Java SE 8. 8. Okay, next here 8. See, this is last one. Windows 64-bit. This is last one. This one you have to download. Download. So when you try to download it, yes, I reviewed, check it, download. Now it will ask for the Oracle account. Oracle account. Yes. Yes, here default almost every day I'm using Oracle account. Office purpose. So that's the reason showing this username. Yes, next password. Sign in. Sign in. Yes, it's downloading now. Downloading. Yes, you must have the Oracle account. Without Oracle account, you cannot download. Okay, you must have the Oracle account here. You cannot download. Okay. Yes, just you can download from Google Drive. Yes. Yes. Share to Gmail ID. Yes, go to your Gmail ID from that Google Drive. You can download it. No worry. Yes, here. Yes, Oracle. That Oracle account must have. Otherwise, you cannot download that here. Okay. Yes. Yes, it's downloading now. Yes, log into Oracle site. Log into Oracle site. You can download. So Oracle account required for that. So this is a way for this. Okay, fine. Yes. So you can JDK copy into C drive. JDK just you copy into C drive. Copy into C drive. JDK of downloading. Copy into C drive here. JDK. Yes. Double click. Double click. Yes. JDK. Double click. Yes. Next close. Double click. Yes. Next close. Yes. Done. JDK installation over. It's very simple steps here. JDK installation. Double click on JDK. So next yes. Next close. That's over. So this Java JDK installation is done. Okay. Next after that. Next environment variable setup. Second one, environment variables. How to set up this? Environment variable setup. So how to set up this? Let us be smart. One second. Let me have some water. One second. Just a minute. I'm taking some water. Yes. Next, environment variable setup. How to set up the environment variables? How to set up environment variables here? See, right click on this PC, properties. Right click on this PC, properties. See here, it's a advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Open that. advanced system settings. After that, here invert variables. Okay, select invert variables. That's it. Open here. Yes, from this user variables for MNRAW. Next, system variables. User variables for MNRAW means this is only current working user, current login user. System variables all users in the Windows OS. Windows multi login users. Multiple users can log in Windows system. Okay. Yes. Suppose if we define variable here, if we define Java variables here, only MNRAW can use that Java here. Others cannot. Only MNRAW. See Windows multiple logins. You can see multiple logins like this. Multiple logins. See Windows 10. Yes. That multi-user login screen. You can see login screen like this. See multiple users. See this. Guest, Tom, Chuck, administration like this. Multiple logins, multiple users. There are multiple logins, multiple logins. Yes, here current login. Current login is MNRAW. Current login MNRAW. Suppose if we define variables here, yes, only MNRAW user can use the Java. Suppose if we define variables here, Java variables, system variables, all users can use. Not only MNRAW, other users, other logins also can use. This is recommended. System variables recommended. This is recommended. System variables recommended. So go with this one here. Okay. Yes. In system variables, see, I'm repeating once again. Yes, I'm repeating once again. See here. Yes, right click on this PC, properties, after opening properties. Yes, here, advanced system settings. Here they say advanced system settings. Advanced system settings from this invert variables. Yes, don't go to this one here. Use system variables. It's recommended in real time. System variables. Go with system variables. System variables in this first new. Yes, new in this Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. So variable name is Java underscore home. Yes, value. What's value? Yes, value. In this value here, location of Java. So what's the location of Java? C drive. Yes, C drive. Program files. Yes, Java. JDK 1.8. So this is the location of Java. C drive program for Java JDK 1.8. So location. Yes, copy these parts. Copy that location. Copy that location and paste here. Paste here. Paste here. Click on OK. So Java home. Completed first Java home. Same thing explain document also. Just you can follow document here. See Windows 10. Right click on this PC icon. So right click on this PC icon. Select properties. See right click on this PC icon. Select properties. Then select advanced system settings. Once you selected properties, you can see window like this. This is a window. Select properties, you can see windows from this advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Okay. Yes. Next, you can see this. Environment variable. This window. Environment variables. Environment variables. From this, you can see window like this. The window. In this user variable for MNRAW, yes, system variables. Yes, system. Go system variables. New. Yes, in this new Java home. Yes, new Java home. Yes, value. C drive program file here. So variable name and value here. Okay, fine. Yes. So Java home. Yes, Java home. Java home. Yes, that value is equal. This is a path, right? Yes. Java home. Path equal that, right? Java home. Done. Completed Java home equal Java home. Variable name equal Java home. Value equal that path. Okay, so click on OK. Next step is click on OK. Click on OK. Done. Completed. After that, next go to path. Java home completed. Next go to path variable. It's a OS path. Path variable. In path variable, yes, new means to create new variable. Edit means to modify existing variable. Now you can delete, but don't use delete option here. Yes, here don't use delete option. Don't delete. If using delete here, Yes, OS will not work. Don't delete the path. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Don't delete path. Don't go for this option. Don't delete path. It's dangerous here. Okay. Yes, path. Edit path. Just edit paths. Edit paths. Edit paths. See, in these paths, there are different paths. See, this is Oracle database path. See, in my system, Oracle database installed. That Oracle database path added here. So this is Oracle database. This is also Oracle database. So Oracle database path added to this. Next, after this is OS path. All these OS paths here. Next here, this is Tomcat. In my system, Tomcat installed. Yes, for office application development purpose. Yes, Tomcat server installed in my system. So I'm using this. So for that Tomcat path, this is Scala software. For Hadoop purpose, I'm using Scala software. So Scala added. So next Python. For big data applications, I'm using Python. So Python added to this, right? Like Putty for Linux purpose, I'm using Putty. Now Java. Yes, 1 second. Yes, now here. So now Java path we should add it. Java paths. New. Yes, percentage. Yes, Java underscore home. Percentage Java underscore home. Yes, percentage backslash bin. Okay. So this path, this should be added here. This should be added here. Yes, what does it mean? I'll explain. Okay. See, done right. So okay. Over. Yes, completed. Yes, I'm repeating once again. Just repeating again. Right click on this PC, properties. Yes, here it's a advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. From this, yes, environment variables. Yes, user variables or leave it. Yes, system will go to system variables. In system variables, first one Java home, new Java underscore home, Java underscore home, Java underscore home. Next value. So what's a value here? Value C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.8. Yeah, take that path here. Take all this, copy this, and paste here. That's it. Over. Java home is done. The Java home is over. Next path, existing path. Edit the paths. Yes, new. Add the new paths. Yes, new paths. Yes, percentage Java. Yes, underscore home. Yes, percentage backslash bin. So click on OK. Click on OK. And complete it. Same thing, expand document here. Okay. See the document here. Same document as this expansion document. See, right click on this PC, then select the properties. Yes, right click on this PC. Yes, this PC icon, select properties. Select advanced system settings. This advanced system settings. Yes, after that, yes, next environment variables. It is environment variables. Yes, it opens here. Here is a yes system variables. Here is a new. Select new. Yes, Java home. Variable name is home. Yes, path. This is Java path. Okay, Java variable equal home, Java underscore home, and value. Okay, yes, once finished here, yes, click on OK. So done, completed. Next path, select path variable and edit. See, select this path variable, select path, we edit. Click on edit, select edit. Yes, after edit here, new. Here there is a new option. New, yes, from the new, yes, see this. Java home, yes, person is Java home, person \bin. So click on OK. Done. So completed. Say OK, finishing here. Okay, so finally, yes, all this. That's all completed. So this is invert variable setup here. Yes, these are Linux based. Next we'll discuss how to set up Java install Linux based. We'll discuss next year. Yes, after finishing, now put the command prompt. Check the Java installation. See Java compile, right? It's a Java compile. Yes, it's there. Previously, yes, command not found showed, right? Previously, command not found. Okay. Previously command not found showed. Okay, now it's working. Java C is working. Now check the version. Java, yes, hyphen version. Check the Java version. Check the Java version. Yes, Java 1.8. Java version, it's a 1.8. Yes, 1.8. Okay, so Java C, yes, it's a 1.8, right? Java version. Yes, or Java C version means compiler version, simply Java version. Java version 1.8. 1.8. Okay, so Java C version is the compiler version. Is Java C means Java compiler. Its version is 1.8. Java version, yes, is 1.8. That's it here. Java hyphen version to take the Java version. So 1.8 installed in my system. That's it. So over. So installation in variables and all this completed. Okay, so this step completed. So this is completed. Okay, Java installation over. Yes, variable setup. So this is completed. After finishing, next step is Eclipse setup. Eclipse. Yes, you have to set up Eclipse here. Eclipse setup. Eclipse setup. Eclipse. See what is Eclipse here. Eclipse. What is Eclipse? Yes, it is an IDE. It is an IDE. Yes, what is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Is integrated. Yes, integrated. Integrated development. Integrated development environment. Environment. Integrated development environment. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integration means linking. Yes, integration means linking. Linking. That means Java software automatically linked with Eclipse IDE. Yes, IDE, it's environment. That ID, that ID contains environment. That environment contains yes, all are linked one here, like Java compiler, JVM, everything is linked with this environment here. That ID, Eclipse IDE. See, for example, here, see previous classes, Turbo C. I should see this. C, C software. See, this is IDE. Yes, this IDE. This IDE with this IDE with C compiler. This IDE is C compiler. So program compiling. Yes, fancy compiler. Yes, compile invoking compiling. Okay, this IDE, that environment, this environment, development environment. That is IDE for C IDE. Okay. Yes, for C language, suppose 1 second. Yes, next this is Python, PyCharm. PyCharm is for the Python application development. PyCharm ID. Okay. Next, similarly here, different see Visual Studio Code. This is also for Python and .NET applications. See this Eclipse ID. This is Eclipse is for Java. PyCharm is for the Python. Yes, Visual Studio Code for Python as well for .NET. Okay. Next, see SQL Workbench. This is for the SQL commands development here. Like this for everything, different IDs are there. Like that Eclipse ID. So Eclipse ID. Okay. So Eclipse ID. See how to set up Eclipse ID. Now we need to set up the Eclipse ID here. Get the Eclipse ID. For Java, it's Eclipse ID. So how to set up here? Yes, Eclipse. Place in the C drive. Eclipse just you place in the C drive. It's Eclipse here. Eclipse here it's Eclipse. Place in the C drive. Eclipse place in the C drive. Place in the C drive. Okay, see here Eclipse is a zip file, zip archive. Eclipse is a zip, it's a zip archive. Okay, yes, when come to JDK here, JDK it's installer. So JDK application is installed, it's installer. Yes, if it is JDK, you have to double click next finish. It's installer, double click next finish. But Eclipse is not an installer. Not installed. It's a zip file. Zip means compressed file. Zip file. Just right click on Eclipse here. Right click extract here. That's it. It's not installer. JDK is installer. If JDK installer, that is double click next finish. Double click next finish. But Eclipse is not like that here. Just it's a zip. It's a zip. So right click on this zip file here. Extract here. Just extract here. Extract. Yes. Now extracting. Extracting. Yes, extracted. Eclipse extracted. See Eclipse. Yes, Eclipse folder extracted. Refresh, you can see Eclipse folder here. Eclipse extracted. Yes, open that folder. Here this Eclipse icon, that Eclipse icon. Right click, send to desktop, send to desktop, send to desktop. Yes, send to desktop. Yes, here's Eclipse shortcut. Okay, refresh once again, sort to by name. See this is Eclipse shortcut. That's it. That's it here. It's very simple here. Very simple. Eclipse installation very simple here. See, this is a Eclipse, JE Eclipse. They shared with you. Place in the C drive. Eclipse also place in the C drive. Right click, extract here. Right click, extract here. Right click on Eclipse, extract here, extract here, extract here. So once extracted, it will generate Eclipse folder. Extract here option. It will generate Eclipse folder. Yes, open that Eclipse folder. Here Eclipse icon, this icon, Eclipse icon. Right click, send to desktop, send to desktop. So that will create shortcut on desktop. Creating shortcut. Here's creating shortcut. Now go to desktop. On desktop, you can see Eclipse shortcut. Here this Eclipse shortcut. You can see that shortcut, Eclipse shortcut. That's it over. So Eclipse setup is done. Eclipse setup is done. So this completed. Next steps to fourth one. Steps to develop Java application. This is steps to develop Java application. How to develop this here? Steps. Steps to develop Java application. So what are the steps here? So first step, yes, create workspace. First step is create workspace. First step is create workspace. Step one, create workspace. So next step is yes, create a package. Create a package. Second step, create a package. So first step, create workspace. First step, create workspace. Next step, create a package. Yes, next step, yes, create a class. Create a class. Create a class. See, first step, create workspace. Next step, create package. So next, sorry, 1 second. Second step is project. Yes, create a project. Create a project. So first create workspace. Second step, create project. Third step, create a package. Yes, next create a class. Fourth step, create a class. Create a class. After creating class here, next create methods. That is steps. First create workspace. Create workspace. Next create a project. Yes, after create package. Next create a class. Next create methods. That's it here. So there are the steps here. So first you have to create workspace, next create project, next create package, create class, create methods. So there are 5 steps. Even 5 steps matter of 5 minutes. Very simple steps. Don't think this much of steps. 5 steps. Even 5 steps very simple. These are very simple. That 5 steps are very simple. All the 5 steps are very simple steps. Very simple steps. Okay. Yes, very simple steps. Okay. Let's see one by one. First, creating workspace. How to create workspace here? Creating workspace. See, launch Eclipse. First, launch Eclipse. Creating workspace. See, same thing explain document also. Just you can follow document here. See, Eclipse setup. Yes, take Eclipse zip RKFL, place in the C drive. Right click, extract here. Open Eclipse folder. Yes, right click on Eclipse icon. Send to desktop. Yes, create shortcut and desktop for Eclipse. Okay, see. Yes, Eclipse IDE means integrated development environment. Okay, Java compiler, JRE, JVM, all are integrated with Eclipse automatically. Okay, yes, the project steps. Create workspace, create projects, create package, create classes, create menus. So first creating workspace, launch Eclipse. Yes, is launching. Yes, launching Eclipse. Yeah, for the first time launching, it will take little bit time. For the first time launching, it will take little bit time here. Yes, launched. Yeah, first time it will take a little bit time. First time it's launched. Okay, see Eclipse launched. Of launching. See, these are path of workspace. Path and then workspace name. This is path. This is path. This is workspace name. So path. Yes, C drive uses MN Rao. Yes, don't go with path this here. Okay, don't use this path. Yes, go with your separate path here. So create separate path. Yes, for this D drive or C drive, whatever you want, you can choose anyone. So D drive. So D drive test. So for example, create one folder. D drive. In D drive, just to create your own folder. New suppose folder. Suppose some test folder. Some test folder. Test folder created. Refresh. Yes. See test folder created. Open that. Yeah, nothing is there. In D drive, test folder created. D drive, test folder created. Test folder created. D drive, test folder. Test folder created. Okay. Yes. After creating this test folder, in this now create Java products. Yes, Eclipse. Here, Eclipse here. Okay, here browse for that path. Browse this PC. D drive. D drive. D drive. Next test folder. Test this set test right. Okay. D drive test folder. After backslash. Then workspace name. Suppose workspace name of workspace sample WS. Name of workspace sample WS. See D drive test it's a path of workspace location where you creating workspace. Next is a workspace name. Yes, you have to mention workspace name compulsory. So path, it's a path of workspace. Location where you want to create workspace. Location where you want to create workspace. Now sample WS. It's a workspace name. It's a workspace name. Workspace name. So click on OK. Yes. Now it's creating sample WS. Creating sample WS. It's creating workspace. It's creating workspace. Yes. See that workspace created. Workspace created. See workspace created. Yes. Close that welcome screen. Close the welcome screen. Now, these frames are adjustable frames. You can adjust. These are adjustable frames. You can adjust all these frames here. As per content, you can adjust this. So done. Workspace is done. After creating workspace, so what is next? Create a project. So workspace, this first step completed. Workspace completed. So workspace completed. So what is next step? Yes, create a project. Create a project. Create a project. See workspace, create workspace, same steps explain document also. Create workspace, launch Eclipse. See select workspace location, browse for that location. So for example, detailed test is location. Yes, sample WS is workspace name. Sample WS is a yes workspace name. So click on OK. Done. Next, close that welcome screen. Close welcome. So this is creating workspace. Step one. Step one. Next step two. Step two. Yes, creating projects. Step two, creating projects. So step two, creating projects. So step two, creating projects. So step two, create a project. How to create project here? Right click, new projects. Right click, new projects. New projects. Yes, Java projects. Select Java projects. Select Java projects. Okay, so click on next. Click on next. After click on next, yes, test. Project name is test. That name we can be anyone here. Project name tested. See here, use execution environment 1.8, right? Automatically got it 1.8. Reason, yes, we have defined Java home variable, right? Java home. See here, Java home variable defined. We have defined Java home, right? See, on launching Eclipse, Eclipse goes to Java home. It's where this is. With the help of Java home, Eclipse goes to this location and picking JDK 1.8. On launching Eclipse here, Eclipse goes to Java home location, Java home, Java home path. From that location, picking JDK 1.8, just picking JDK 1.8, just integrating with Eclipse. That's reason it's getting 1.8. So finish. That's it. Say yes. Completed. The project created. Project created. The project created. After creating project, what is next step here? What is next step? So what is next step? Yes. So project completed. Okay. After finishing project here, next create a package. So next step is create a package. Create a package. Create a package. So package. Yes. Package name. Yes. Package name. Yes. Must be in lowercase. Package name must be in lowercase. Lowercase. See, package name starts with com. Yes. Com dot or watch dot. Com dot or watch dot. Com dot or watch dot. Comment company. Watch means organization. Comment company. Watch means organization. See, com dot. Yes. Client name. For which client you will develop in project. Client name dot. Yes. Next project name. Yes. Project name. Project name. Yes. Dot. Yes. Module. Project name dot module. Okay. So com dot. Yes. Client name dot. Project name dot module. Com dot. Yes. Client name. Okay. Dot project name dot module. Yes. Com means company. Watch means organization. Company means it's a profit based. All employees working. In company, all are employees. In company, all are employees working here. It's a profit based. Organization is a non-profit based. Means no employees, all are volunteers. Yes, for organization, all volunteers working here. Yes, company. Company means it's all are employees. Okay. For example, here. For example, yes. Com dot client name. Com dot client. Suppose, for example, presently our client is yes Volkswagen. Volkswagen is a client. Okay, project name is ERP projects. Module now first started purchase development, purchase module, purchase module. So this is package name. Yes, com dot that client name dot yes that project name dot module. That's it here. You have to write like this. It's a coding standards you should follow. Package name must be in lowercase. Package name must be lowercase. Yes, you must follow these steps here compulsory. Okay. Yes. Now let us see. Right click on SRC project name. Yes, package name. Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC new package. Yes, package com dot. Here I am using Durga. Durga dot. Suppose my name mn dot some test module. That's it here. So package created. See once again, you can create package like this as new package. Simply some ABC package like this also, but is not acceptable. Okay. Yes, as per coding standards, you must follow this standard. First com dot, then client name dot, project name dot, module. That's it here. Yes, this one. Yes, it will work, but that's not recommended to use. In real time, no one accepted that here. Here, this type of coding, ABC simply packaging does not accepted. Does not accepted. Not accepted. That's not accepted. It's not accepted. Okay. So this is package name. Creating package like this. Creating package. So creating package like this. Yes, done. Package completed. After creating package, next create a class. Next step is create a class. Next step is create a class. So next step is create a class. So how to create a class? It's very simple. Same right click on package now. So previously right click on yes, see. First right click on project explorer area, new project, Java project. After that, now open that project. Yes, in that SRC. Right click on SRC new package. New package. So everything is right click. You can see options here. Now right click on package. Right click on package. Yes, new class name. Yes, class name. Let us say test is the class name. Test is a class name. Finish. That's it. Class created. Class created, right here, class created. Class created. So class created. Okay. Now this font size you have to change. We should change the font size. We should change the font size here. How to change font size here? So right click. Yes, profile preferences. Sorry. Yes, right click the preferences. Right click preferences, select preferences. Yes, here general appearance, colors fonts. Okay, see, right click here. Here is a preferences option. At the bottom, you can see preferences option. Yes, general appearance, colors and fonts. In this Java font. See, Java editor text font. Java editor text font. Edit. Yes, bold. Yes, font name. Yes, leave as is. Font style, make it bold. Bold means clear visibility. Thick color. Thick letters, right? It's a thick letters. So visibility, more visibility. Size 18. See here, for class purpose, I need 18. Our working purpose, 12 is enough. 12 is enough. You guys also 12 or 14 you can select. Okay. Yes, here class purpose I'm selecting 18. So click on OK. Yes, apply means saved. Saved, OK. Done. Right? Yes, next here main method public. Yes, static void main method. Main method string square bracket aux. String square bracket aux. Starting main method. Next here system dot yes out. System dot out dot println yes is hello world semicolon. That's it. Save, control yes, save it, or else you can see here save option is available. Save option is available. Now right click run as Java application. Yes, that's it. Right click run as, right click on main method. This one. Right click here, right click run as Java application. Yes, see this hello world output, right? Hello world output. At the bottom you can see console hello world output. Here this console tab. Yes, here you can see output here. This output font size also you can change. Let us see how to change. Same steps. Right click preferences. Yes, general appearance, color fonts. Now here it's not Java font here. Now this is basic input output font. Basic text font. This is basic input output text font. So edit. Yes, bold. Yes, 16 is okay. Okay. Apply. Okay, done. Yes, hello world output. That's it. Now let us add one more statement. Yes, system dot yes out dot yes print. Yes, 1 second. Yes, println. Yes, welcome to yes Java world. Welcome to Java world. Here again semicolon. Yes, control yes, save it. Control yes, save it. Control yes, save it. After saving, now running. Right click run as. Java application. Yes. Hello world. Welcome to Java world. That's the other steps here. Yes, I am repeating all the steps. I am repeating file and exit. File, go to file menu, then exit. Closing that Eclipse. Eclipse closed. Eclipse closed. Okay. Now, so let us see steps. All the steps repeating. So first create workspace. Creating workspace. Now go to desktop, launch Eclipse. Go to desktop, launch Eclipse. Launching Eclipse here. Here workspace. See location, first path of workspace. This is just it's opening existing workspace. Already workspace created, right? Just it's opening existing workspace. No, I don't want existing workspace. Now I want to go for new workspace. New workspace, suppose C drive. In C drive, sub project folder. Suppose here mnraf folder. Okay, here, yes, here I want to create. Suppose C drive, in C drive, suppose project folder is available here mnraf. At mnraf folder, I want to create workspace. Here, this location I want this location. And here, see, of launching Eclipse, browse for that location. C drive project MN Rao. Browse for C drive. C drive. C drive. Yes, in C drive. Yes, project folder. Project folder. Project folder. In project folder, MN Rao. MN Rao. Select. The C drive project folder MN Rao. MN Rao / now workspace name. Workspace name. Suppose test WS is the workspace. Test WS is the workspace. So okay, click on OK. Yes, it's launching. Yes, test WS create the workspace created. It's launching Eclipse. See time of workspace 6:09 p.m. right? 11:03. March 11th. Created workspace launched. Launched Eclipse. Yes, close welcome screen. Close welcome screen. Close welcome screen. So done workspace created. After creating workspace, what is next? Create a project. Create a project. Create a project. Yes, create a project. Create a project. See, right click on Project Explorer. Right click here, new projects. New projects. New project, Java projects. Java projects. So click on next. Java project. Click on next. Next. Suppose project name is some sample. So whatever name you want, you can choose. Suppose sample projects. Yes, environment automatically selected 1.8. Project name some test. That yes, version automatically selected. Next finish. Finish. Say yes. Yes, created. The sample workspace created. Sample workspace created. Sample workspace created. The open workspace. Sorry, sample project created. On workspace sample project created. So project is done. So workspace completed. Project completed. Workspace completed. Project completed. Next one, package. Package. So sample project here. Sample projects package. Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. Right click on SRC. New package. Package name. Yes, com dot. Here Durga dot. Yes, M dot. So what is the package? Package name. Okay. Package created. One second. Let me have some water. Yes, package created. Package done, right? Package created. Package created. Okay. Package name standards must be lowercase. Must be lowercase alphabets. Lowercase alphabets. Alphabets. Next, create a class. Creating class. Right click on package. New class. Suppose class name is sample class. Sample class. Sample class finish. This is sample class. Sample class. Sample.java file. By the name of the class, one .java file created. Now change the font size. Right click here. Right click. Profile preferences. See, it's a new workspace. Suppose same old workspace using need not change. Only one time settings in a workspace level. It's a new workspace. It's a new workspace. For new workspace, again settings required. Again settings. General, appearance, colors and fonts. Colors and fonts. Okay. Yes, Java font. Java font. Java editor text font. Java editor text font. Editor. Editor. Yes, font name as is leave as is bold. Font style bold. Size 18. Okay. Apply. Done. Okay. So class created. After creating class, what is fifth one? Methods. Create methods. Create methods. Create methods. Here I am starting with main methods. Other methods later we'll discuss. Starting with main methods. Starting with main methods. Starting with main method. See main method, public static void main. Complete typing is not necessary here. Just main. Just to type main keyword. Just to type main keyword. Control space bar. Control space bar. Control space bar. Yes. Control space bar. See down arrow key. Here is the main method, right? Up arrow key, down arrow key like this. Main methods. Main methods. Escape cancel. Escape cancel. Escape for cancel, right? Escape for cancel. See control space bar. See that control space bar. See simply just you type main keyword. Just type main keyword. Then control space bar. Control space bar. Yes, automatically you can see that main first one. Down arrow key next. Now which one you want, you can select here. Now we need main method, right? First one, main, first option. Select first one, enter key. Next, system.out.println. System.out.println. For this syswo shortcut. System.out.println syswo shortcut. Control space bar. Yes. Println. Yes, here say hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. That's it. Hello world. That's it, completed. Yes, one more statement. System.syswo control space bar. Yes, enter key. Okay. Yep, this is MN Rao. This is MN Rao. Yes, MN Rao. Okay. Yes, control yes for save. See, like a notepad, Eclipse is like a notepad. See, control yes, select all. Control select all. Control X cut. Cut. Yes, control paste. Control Z undo. Control Z undo. Undo. Okay. Yes, control yes, save it. Save it. Or else you can use save option here. This save option. Now run it. Right click on main method, run as Java application. That's it. Yes. See this hello world. This is MN, right? Yeah, this output font size also we can change. How? Same. Right click. See preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Colors and fonts. From this go to basic font, text font. Basic text font. Edit, bold. Okay, font name, font style, bold, size 18. Yes, this output font 16 is okay. Okay, apply, then okay, done. That's it, over. So these are the steps. Yes, let us create one more project. Same workspace, this same workspace, creating one more project. New, suppose projects, the Java projects. Next, suppose project and test projects. See 1.8 selected, so finish. Project created. After creating projects, now go to SRC. Now create package next. Right click on SRC, new package. Yes, com dot, yes, Durga dot, yes, mn dot, suppose ABC package. That ABC package finish. That package created. After creating package next, create class. Right click on package, new class. Yes, class name, suppose let us say test class. Test class, finish. Yes, automatically font getting right. Means workspace settings already done. So automatically this font size getting. Now main methods. Type main methods. Type main simply just main keyword control space bar. Hold on control space bar. Control space bar. Control space bar. That main selected, right? Yes, enter key. System.out.println syswo control space bar. Syswo control space bar. Yes. Automatically getting right. System.out.println. Yes, within the quotation. Hello. Yes, okay. Yes, welcome to yes, Durgasoft. Welcome to Durgasoft. Okay, welcome to Durgasoft. Okay, yes, system.out.println. Yes, this is yes, MN Rao. This is MN Rao. Right, okay, save. Control yes, save. Control yes, save. Now right click, run as Java application. That's it. Automatically that output font size also cut it, right? So workspace, once you set up that font size, same thing you can use for next yeah. So like this one more project you can create. Suppose in the same package, if you want one more class, test.java, in the same package, if you want another class, can new class. Suppose class name is demo. Yes, demo.java. Okay, in this writing main methods, control space bar, main methods, system dot out dot println. Yes, yes. Welcome to yes demo. Okay, now save it. Control yes, save it. Control save it. Right click, run as Java application. Right click on main method, run as Java application. So these are the steps in this. I hope everyone is clear. It's all the steps completed. Okay. Yes. Try to finish all the steps here. Yes. Take JDK and Eclipse and try to finish all the setups. Here you can follow document here. Document all the steps very clearly. Just to follow document steps. Okay. Document all the steps are there. Still anyone facing issue. Just you can contact me. Still anyone facing issue, just you can contact me. Yes, still anyone facing issue, just you can contact me. I think already my WhatsApp number given for our patch WhatsApp group. Here this is WhatsApp group for our patch. Already communication is going. It's already these 4 sessions shared. Yes, daily session shared as well. Yes, drive access also given. Drive access. Yes, almost all taken the drive access. Drive access given. Okay. Yes, from the drive you can download. From the drive you can download all the softwares and recordings and all this here. Okay. So this is yes group. Still anyone to share our details? Share. This is my WhatsApp number. Still anyone? Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. 817918912. Yes, anyone still pending? Share your name. Next your Gmail ID. Name and Gmail ID. Share this. I'll add to group. Yeah, that's all. Yes, next class on Monday. Tomorrow don't have the class. Yes, I'm giving 2 days time for the Eclipse setup and JDK setup. 2 days time is available for you guys. 2 days. Just utilize these 2 days here and try to finish. By Monday, be ready with the Eclipse and JDK software. Then we'll start programming. From Monday, programming starts. Yeah, that's all. Yes, any doubts? Yes, guys, any doubts? Yes, if no doubts, let us wind up session. Yes, if no doubts, let us wind up session. Yeah, so that's all. Yes, I request everyone to finish Eclipse setup, JDK setup. Yes, by Sunday evening at least. Yes, any doubts are there, just you can ping me. I will help you. Even I'm ready to connect your computer. I will connect to your computer. I will make the setup. Okay, I'll make the setup. I'll do it. If you fail the setup, I will do it. Okay. Yeah. So thank you guys. See you on Monday. So next class on Monday. Thank you.